Installation is to be done at your own risk. Talons Garage is not responsible for any damage that occurs during or after installation. Professional installation is recommended. Check for all included parts and hardware before starting install. We recommend using a high-quality Allen bit for installing our button head bolts. This will dramatically prevent the chances of stripping the heads. We also strongly discourage the use of impact tools. Connect plates A and B using 4 25mm bolts, 8 washers, and 4 lock nuts. It is important to note that the bolt heads should be on the inside of the shield. Mount brackets A, C, and D. These are items 4, 6, and 7. Each bracket will take 2 25mm bolts and 2 washers. Bracket B is mounted using 2 25mm bolts, 4 washers, and 2 nuts. These bolt heads should be on the inside of the shield. Remove the muffler mount bolt. It will be reinstalled later. Mounting the pre-assembled shield can be done by one person, but we strongly recommend having some help. Watch your hand placement here, or your hand may get caught between the drive shaft like mine did. Use 4 nuts and 4 washers to mount the shield to the existing OEM fuel tank support straps. Secure the front passenger side bracket using the DPF nut plate. Insert nut plate is shown and secure using a 40mm bolt and washer. Secure the rear passenger side bracket by reinstalling the muffler mount bolt. Secure the rear driver's side bracket by inserting nut plate C as shown and securing with the 40mm bolt and washer. Secure the middle bracket by inserting nut plate B. Use a 40mm bolt and washer to secure. Insert nut plate A as shown. This will secure the front driver's side. Use a 40mm bolt and a washer. Double check that all bolts have been tightened down. Remember to check bolts for tightness at 100 miles, 500 miles, and periodically thereafter. We sure hope that you enjoy your new Talons Garage skid plate. Feel free to mention us on your favorite social media platform or forum. We love to see our products out in the wild.